Welcome at Pizza and More. And this time we make again a pizza which should be really on each pizza menu. I'm Juergen and I will show you this time what belongs to a Pizza Capricciosa. The direct translation of Capricciosa would be free, changeable, playful or even predictable. And exactly this is what the toppings on this Capricciosa are, really free, changeable and predictable. The toppings on a Pizza Capricciosa are almost the same as on a Quattro Stagioni, so on the Four Seasons. Well, the video to the Four Seasons is linked here. But on the Four Seasons, we have the four different toppings, each on its own corner or quarter. They say this kind of pizza was more for the rich people because they wanted to show they have toppings every time available for each of the four seasons. And the Capricciosa has exactly the same toppings, but spread over the whole pizza. And this looks like more people took the remaining parts out of the fridge and put this onto the Capricciosa, onto their pizza. Traditionally, Pizza Capricciosa has as base pizza Margherita, and as additional toppings we have black olives, we have artichokes, we have Prosciutto Cotto, so ham, and we have also mushrooms. However, you could use or you could take which toppings ever you want on your Pizza Capricciosa. This is really up to your own taste. And as this video is mainly because of showing you how the Capricciosa is done, I won't say too many things regarding the dough. This is a 50% biga. The link to this dough, so for the recipe and for the video, is in the video description. And now I will stretch the pizza like a normal Neapolitan pizza is stretched. The first topping we add are tomatoes. Then is next some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Then some leaves of fresh basil. Yes, of course, this basil has really very little leaves, but it doesn't matter, they taste exactly the same. As next, some mozzarella fior di latte. And then we already can continue with the toppings which are typical for our Capricciosa. This is at first some ham or even Prosciutto Cotto. Then is next some artichokes, some black olives, and mushrooms, and some olive oil. And then is the pizza already ready for the oven. And here comes our Capricciosa out of the oven. And then I add some leaves of fresh basil. And you saw now creating a Pizza Capricciosa is not really rocket science, so it's really easy. Okay, of course we have to have some more toppings in our fridge, but okay. I would say it's definitely worth. The combination of these toppings tastes really absolutely fantastic. And if you have guests and you have exactly this pizza as well on your menu, you will see people will be also happy if they have the possibility to eat once a different pizza and not always the same pizza like a pizza salami or a pizza prosciutto. So if you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel. Then we see us also in the next video. Ciao.